Hi guys, welcome to another Go video tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to connect the MySQL database container from the Go web app container. In a previous tutorial, we have already dockerized the Go web app. In a Go web app container, we are going to install the few packages like go.env package, go.orm and MySQL driver. The go.env package is used to read the variables from the .env file, right? And then go.rm will replace the raw queries. We are not going to write any draw SQL queries. Okay, the MySQL driver is just used for the database connection, right? Other than that, I'll be running a few Docker commands to remove Go web app, image, container, and MySQL database container. And at last, I will be running Docker compose of command to create the fresh image and container. I am doing this to make sure that I rebuild images with the required packages and spin up the container. Okay, let me start a hands-on lab so that everything will be clear, right? So in a lab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether the containers are running or not. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes on this main file. Let me add a text over here. Say running, right? Running, then refresh the browser. Okay, here the web app container is running. That means now we can make a change on the project, right? So first of all, I'm going to add the packages in the Docker file. First, go.env. Okay, here from the GitHub. Okay, we can just copy and paste into the Docker file. Paste. Okay, run, so that this will be run inside the Docker container, or this will be installed in the Docker. Another one is go orm. Okay, go orm, copy, paste, run. Run command will install this package inside the container. Okay, yeah, then after we need to install the driver, MySQL driver. Okay, run, go get dash u means it's update. Okay, instead of MySQL, yeah, MySQL. Let me stop the all the running containers. Yep, it's done, right? Oh yeah, done. Again, run all the remove and commands. Yeah, remove and docker compose off. Okay, it's running in the background. Yeah, now another step is okay. Yeah, everything is ready now. Okay, I'm going to create the env file and copy the all the environment variable from docker compose file to the env file. Okay, here, and then remove the spaces. Equal to or colon doesn't matter. Port number, the docker container port. Okay, internal container port 3306, and database host, MySQL host. Yeah, db. Okay, here environment. Oh, why is removed? Let me. Hmm, maybe that was my mistake. I did caught instead of copy. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let me use the environment variable over here. If we are storing both file, docker compose file and the env file in the same directory, we can just use the variable like this. Okay, like this. Yep. Yeah. Database done. MySQL database, MySQL passport, MySQL username. Yeah, looks ready now. Okay. Then yeah, this is wrong. Let me, yeah, it's corrected now, the container name. Okay. Passport, this looks, yeah, looks right. Okay. Now let me import the packages. The OS, this will be used to read the env file, .env file. Then we can import all the packages that we installed previously. Go go.env file, oh sorry, go.env package, go rm, and then the MySQL driver. Okay, yeah, done. I have, oops, why this comma? Let's remove, we don't need any comma, right? Now let me define some variables. So like go rm data variable and error. So first is db, yep. Then go rm dot db, error, error. Okay, func connect, so that this function will be used to connect the database. Okay, I'm going to load the environment variables over here. Go.env.load, yeah, this gonna load environment variables. If error, just display the errors. Okay, yeah, fatal f, just some error message, unable to connect or unable to load the env file. Okay, yeah, error message. Okay, now next step is to, you know uh, connect with the database. So we can use the gorm.open function to connect to the database. So here I'm going to define the db url. fmtp dot is a printf. So username, password, yeah, then after the protocol name, tcp, yeah, then you host, host, and then the port number slash database. Okay, database name, database name. Then let me copy this whole url, sorry, this piece of code over here. Yeah, done. Then we can just pass the environment variables over here, like username, password, right? First os does dot get env, get env, MySQL user, MySQL root password, then after os.get.env host, okay, MySQL host, then os port number, get env port, MySQL port. I'm typing slowly because so that you guys can easily pick the things. So here os.get.env port, and then we need a MySQL, the database name, right? Database. All these variables are declared inside .env file. We are just using it over here. Now everything looks right. Let me check with in env file whether database, MySQL database, yeah, looks same. Yeah, okay, looks good. Now I'm going to replace this string with the db url. Okay, we have declared the db url just above. Now I'm going to remove this clause. I am not going to use over here for now. Okay, and let me check the connection here. If we have some error, okay, display some messages, just error message. Okay, if error is equal to not nil, that means we have some error. Okay, yeah, log dot fatal f, so it gonna display the error. No, okay, oops, error, just err. Yeah, done. Else, just connection message, we don't need anything else. Just okay, fpm fmt, sorry, dot print ln I'm connected. Okay, just a message, I'm connected, I'm connected. So yeah, it's ready. Just we need, yeah, just I'm going to use a different variable where just d, you can use anything, right? Assign to the db so that it will be easy to use later. And then we need to call this connect function inside the main function. Okay, connect, simple, just connect. Yeah, connect. Yeah, okay, no semicolon. Okay, now let me check the console. We are getting error, right? Instead of dash underscore. Okay, and then again we are getting another error, dv is undefined. Why is this? Okay, let me check. Yeah, okay, colon dot equal to, colon equal to, okay, this error should not be there now. Yes, it's gone. Another error, we are getting another error over here, log fatal f. Okay, instead of this one we can use panic so that it will display all the panic. Okay, panic, so that we it will display all the errors. Okay, yeah, that means there is some error in the database connection string. So in a printf, username is fine, password is fine, protocol is fine. Oh, port number, no comma, here it should be colon, right? And then that bracket should be here, not outside. Bracket slash database name and remove it. Save. Now it's connected. Okay, now it's connected.